Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a favorite contact in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Hover over the chat you want to favorite, in this case the one with demo, and click the three dots icon that appears to open the More Chat Options menu. From the menu that opens, click on Favorite, and Teams immediately moves the chat and displays a notification confirming chat moved to favorites. Your favorited chat now stays pinned at the top of your chat list, so you can access it quickly without scrolling. You can favorite as many chats as you need. They'll all stay grouped at the top of your chat list in the order you added them. To remove a chat from favorites later, just open the same three dots menu and click Favorite again to toggle it off. Favoriting works for both one-to-one chats and group conversations, so use it for anyone you message regularly. If you can't see the three dots, make sure you're hovering directly over the chat row. They only appear when your cursor is on that chat. And that's how to add a favorite contact in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.